Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are pledge of allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play. Andrew hide himself within the CIA terrorist gang and disguised as a political party. So we're going to look upon these gang leader before we go down on some things. So when I look on the screen and taking this gang leader. Them trying to deny Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party its rightful place in the history books of this country. And we will never surrender to the PNP.
I have so much things to say. I will never allow PNPism to come back in this country.
Anyway, me there. My name Killer Vaz. Anyway, me there. My name Killer Vaz. Anyway, me there. My name Killer Vaz. Anyway, me there. My name Killer Vaz.
Either meet a judge or meet your maker. Our prisons and police lockups are fully populated. I do not train my police to lose. We have the superior training and firepower to ensure that we win every time.
Whether we bring them in the pickup that come behind us in the car, I don't want to come on a stretcher. It's their business. I don't promise that.
So, these are the gang leaders we have to deal with in Jamaica, you know. And it's serious, not even funny. These are the gang leaders we have to deal with in Jamaica on a big man level. Saying, and based on the things that I'm Andrew right now, it look like him have election in his mind. I think he have an next plan up his sleeve, I swear to God, because the things that do to the Jamaican people, him could never have election in mind. Remember, say them burn down the market run at watch around the say, you know. And the suffering people, them who still in the market lose, you know. So even though Jamaica is in a recession, you know, come like the system a further put the Jamaica in a recession, you know. And me, them talk about this thing as some short circuit, nothing like that. It is an organized crime. Believe. So them target, they look on them now, all is at the hardware. And when you go to the hardware, and you buy one half ton of steel or 1 ton of steel, when you can get these people for get down the yard now, the government target these people now, I go tell them now, say, them have to have trailer for carry half quarter ton of steel come on the yard. Some people live at some place, a trailer even can come turn. Like the things them what this government do, I don't really think so they're in an election mode. I think they have something up their sleeve.
Never carry Martin here. You will not run a Martin here. And madam, champion, and you never carry Martin here. Only Elia will win that election. If you never carry Martin here, only Elia will win that election. If you never carry Martin here, only Elia will win
Lecturing me and me more cherry of himself from the one. Lecturing me.
So you're not satisfied. You're not more keen.
Comrades, the way Jamaica run now, it's not right. People fed up. People are suffer. Cost of living and the price of everything. Week after week, more pressure on the people. And whoever government, it look like all them really do is look out for them friend and company. And the people can't have trust and confidence in the leadership of Jamaica as it stands today. The Integrity Commission talk about 6 members of Parliament under investigation for illicit enrichment. What is illicit enrichment? It's a corruption offense. It means that you have assets that you declare, money where you get, your income, can't show how you acquire those assets. And you can't explain it neither. Because you know how it go. It never come in another legit way. 6 of them. And then the Prime Minister himself, his statutory declaration. Each member of Parliament, each senator has to file a statutory declaration for each year. You have to file it by March 31st the following year. You have to declare everything you own. You have to declare every money where you owe. You have to declare all of your income. And the law says the Prime Minister and the leader of the opposition, the Integrity Commission, have to review them statutory declaration. And them have to certify, say, it look good, it stay good. And then them have to publish a summary of it in the Jamaica Gazette, the official publication of the government. Year after year, this Prime Minister, female can't get certified, can't publish. something wrong. And him can't come and tell the people what is wrong. And I say, that is a disqualifying factor for any leader of the country. And if the Jamaican Labour Party was true to its roots, he could not be the leader going into the next election.
Listen, 2025 has significant potential. Don't believe that there's no hope. There's a lot of opportunities waiting for those of you who are willing to step outside of your comfort zones and explore new opportunities, because the entire job market has shifted and there are key sectors for growth, which include vocational education teachers, transportation and logistics specialists. With the advent of everything happening online, we need new digital e-commerce, website specialists, you name it, it's out there. And why? Because if you've been paying attention, millennials have the most spending power of any generation. They have about 2.5 trillion US dollars, and 75% are using their smartphones for online purchases. So companies, not only in Jamaica, but globally, are shifting their marketing from advertising in traditional media to digital and social media. And it's also evolving to streaming, podcasts. So as a result of these online disruptions, even private equity is looking at how they invest in music catalogs. So there's work out there for creatives and musicians in terms of how they're going to make money on streaming. So for those of you who have any kind of expertise, you want to start paying attention to those movements, because the traditional media landscape is facing a significant transformation. And that transformation is giving way to a new era dominated by digital and streamings, because people want to be able to harness what they want when they want it. So right now, if you look at even RJR / Gleaner Company, they reported a loss of $538 million. That's Jamaican dollars for the year ending March 2024, because companies, as I said, are shifting away from traditional media in addition to some other things. So guess what? If you need to upskill yourself, it's easy. Consider taking some online courses for certification, or even some local training programs for certification. Heart is offering courses free. So guess what? There is a lot of hope. I have significant excitement for 2025. And as I've been saying to you, there's no one definition for your life. You can redefine. Try something different. 2025 is your year. For all of you creatives out there, digital marketers, for those of you who can drive a trailer, North America is calling for you. And what's even good is that because of this whole digital technological transformation that's going to explode this year even more, geographical locations and visas don't prohibit you offering your goods and services across borders. So right now, the future calls us to action. So I urge you to embrace your urgent responsibility to strategically realign yourself with the emerging opportunities, with a really deep understanding that the goods and services that you have a competitive advantage with, both locally and globally, you can actually harness them, and you should be marketing them. So let's all face 2020-25 with boldness and determination. Let's choose confidence over anxiety and courage instead of fear. Happy 2025, and I'm wishing all of you a really, really successful year.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered, so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effected in your constituency.
Solidarity with your leader, Comrade Mark. Time come. Time come. Time come for the PNP.
Jamaica, time coming up. Time come. The date has finally announced. Everybody come vote for Mark Golden. Because for your fist, wave your hand. Because walk around district and
me I practice my ex. Because I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them two uncaring, man. Make sure say my mark the X right there, so. Because I don't want the ballot spoil. See that X, yeah? For the teacher, them want to get them pay. You see that X, yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench because they never have no bed. You see that X, yeah? And for the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah, man. See how that X, yeah? And for the big salary what the politician them give themselves, and I can't give little salary to the people them. That X right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. If you are working long hours and can't get no pay, if you go a foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that X, yeah? This is because that time they take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that X, yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where them try to run the country under. You see one there right there, so I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.